Everyone's excited about the rise of AI. It's powering our devices, helping doctors, and even writing our content. But behind the hype lies a darker reality, a future shaped by artificial intelligence that no one wants to talk about. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore the unspoken consequences of unchecked AI development. AI is automating tasks once thought safe. Truck drivers, writers, graphic designers, and even legal professionals are being replaced by intelligent systems. By 2030, millions of jobs may vanish, not because of a lack of demand, but because machines can do them faster, cheaper, and without breaks. It's not just blue-collar jobs at risk. AI is coming for the white-collar world too. The companies building AI are becoming wealthier and more powerful, but the benefits aren't being evenly distributed. In fact, the gap between those who own the AI and those affected by it is growing wider. Wealth and control are concentrating in the hands of a few. AI powers mass surveillance. Governments and corporations now track behavior with pinpoint accuracy. In some countries, AI decides whether you can travel, work, or even get a loan. Your face, voice, and habits are data points in a massive network of control. Did you know? As of 2025, over 75% of global surveillance systems are AI-powered. Autonomous drones that decide when to strike, AI-guided propaganda campaigns, deepfake warfare. Military use of AI is a growing reality, and it raises serious ethical questions. Who's accountable when a machine pulls the trigger? AI can generate human voices, faces, and full videos that are indistinguishable from real life. Misinformation is now scalable and more convincing than ever. In the wrong hands, these tools can erode trust, damage reputations, and manipulate elections. AI reflects the biases of the data it's trained on. If the dataset is flawed, the AI is too. This means people of color, women, and marginalized communities are often discriminated against by systems that are supposed to be neutral. While AI evolves rapidly, regulations lag far behind. There's no global standard for safety or ethics. Companies are racing for innovation, not responsibility, and the consequences could be irreversible. AI is here to stay, but the question isn't what it can do, it's what we let it do. The future of AI shouldn't be a dystopia, but unless we talk about these issues, that's exactly where we're headed. Let's make sure this conversation doesn't stay in the shadows. But there's another dimension we rarely talk about: AI's environmental footprint. Training large AI models requires vast amounts of energy, sometimes equivalent to powering hundreds of homes for a year. As AI adoption scales globally, so does its carbon footprint, contributing quietly to the climate crisis. Children are growing up with AI influencers, AI tutors, and AI-generated stories. These tools can help, but they can also shape values, behaviors, and perceptions in ways we don't fully understand. If left unchecked, AI may become the invisible hand that shapes an entire generation's worldview. Meanwhile, the race to build artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is accelerating. AGI isn't just another tool, it's the theoretical tipping point where machines surpass human intelligence in all areas. That sounds exciting, until you realize we still haven't figured out how to align AI with basic human values. There's also the issue of data ownership. Most AI models are trained on data scraped from the internet, often without consent. Your personal photos, writings, and voice may already be part of a training set somewhere. You didn't opt in, but the machines learned anyway. Let's not forget the weaponization of AI in the cyber realm. AI-enhanced hacking tools can find vulnerabilities, adapt in real time, and launch automated attacks at scale. It's no longer just humans behind the screen. Now it's algorithms waging war in digital silence. And for those hoping AI will level the playing field, it's worth asking, Who decides what the AI learns? What values are embedded in the code? What gets prioritized? And what gets erased? AI doesn't just reflect the world, it recreates it, filtered through the choices of its makers. The danger isn't just in the AI itself, it's in our dependence on it. When we let algorithms handle decisions, we risk losing essential human skills: critical thinking, creativity, empathy. The more we outsource to machines, the more we forget how to be human. Ethics shouldn't be an afterthought, it should be the foundation. But today, ethics is often treated as a checkbox. AI researchers are pressured to publish results fast. Startups are racing to build the next big thing. And the loudest voices in the room are often the least cautious. Change is possible, but it requires all of us. Technologists, policymakers, educators, and citizens must work together to build an AI future that's transparent, accountable, and equitable. We need global cooperation, not just corporate ambition. This isn't a call to abandon AI, it's a call to reclaim it, to slow down, to ask better questions, to set limits before it's too late. AI is a mirror of our collective values, and right now, that reflection is looking more distorted by the day. The future of AI will be written by those who dare to speak up now. Let's not wait for tragedy to force action. Let's start building the safeguards today, for ourselves and for the generations that will inherit what we create.